Hello friends, myself R.D. Mazen presenting my video on the topic bilinear transformation. Let us try to define that term. Bilinear transformation is the mapping that maps the given three distinct points. Point must be distinct or different. Z1, Z2, Z3 onto three distinct points W1, W2, W3 respectively, and it is given by that formula is W minus W1 into W2 minus W3 divided by W minus W3 into W2 minus W1, and that is equals to Z minus Z1. Next, multiply by Z2 minus Z3 whole divided by Z minus Z3 multiplied by Z2 minus Z1. It is linear. Linear means the degree of each and every term is 1. Easy to remember the formula. Here the suffix are 1, 2, 3 in numerator, and in denominator it is 3 to 1. The same case for Z also. The suffix are 1, 2, 3 and in denominator we have suffix 3 to 1. If you remember this order, you can easily write down the formula. And then one simple problem, how we can obtain that bilinear transformation for the given 3 points. Let us try to solve the problem. Find bilinear transformation which maps the three distinct points Z1 is equals to infinity, Z2 is equals to I, Z3 is equals to 0 onto the another 3 points W1 is equals to 0, W2 is equals to I and W3 is equals to infinity. And therefore, using bilinear transformation formula, we have that W minus W1 multiplied by W2 minus W3 whole divided by W minus W3 and W2 minus W1. Suffix in numerator 1, 2, 3 in that order, and in denominator that suffix order is 3 to 1. And the same type of term on the right hand side for Z, Z minus Z1, Z2 minus Z3 whole divided by Z minus Z3 and Z2 minus Z1. And then substituting the values, we get that is W minus W1, the value of W1 is 0, W2 is I, minus W3, it is infinity, divided by W minus W3, W3 is infinity, W2 is I, minus W1, 0, and that is equals to Z minus Z1, it is infinity. Next, Z2 as I minus Z3, 0, divided by Z minus Z3, 0, Z2 I and minus Z1, it is infinity. Then replacing infinity by the term 1 by rho, where the value of rho is 0. Then and then only we get 1 by rho as infinity. And therefore, substituting or replacing infinity by the term 1 by rho in this equation, in the previous step, we get that is W minus 0 is W multiplied by I minus 1 by rho whole divided by W minus 1 by rho into I, and that is equals to Z minus 1 by rho, I minus 0 is I, and whole divided by Z minus 0 is Z, I minus infinity nothing but 1 by rho. And then cross multiplying it by rho, we get W into I into 0, we get that term as 0, minus 1 whole divided by rho and in denominator we have rho into infinity, but infinity is 0. Oh, sorry, rho is 0, we get that term as 0 minus 1 into I, and that is equals to, and whole divided by rho. That rho from numerator and denominator get cancelled. Here we have z into rho, rho is 0, therefore 0 minus 1 into I, and whole divided by z, rho into I, rho is 0, therefore this term becomes 0, and minus 1. Okay. Here also that rho get cancelled from numerator and denominator. Then simplifying it further, we get here this minus get cancelled. On right hand side also minus get cancelled. And then transferring I to right hand side, we get the value of W is equals to I into I square, and divided by Z. The value of I square is minus 1, and therefore we get W is equals to minus 1 by Z. As the required bilinear transformation. Linear means degree of W and degree of Z is 1, and add both the terms with degree 1, that's why it is called as bilinear. If one more I will discuss in my next video. If you like my video, please share it, as well as subscribe to my channel to receive the notification for my new videos. You have to press the bell icon. Thank you. Thanks for watching.